yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Guys, this is a special one. My brother linked me and say, yo, react to him family song. So alright then, cool, no problem. Never had the time to do it when him just asked me, so I'm just gonna do it now. So we're gonna react to Pandaa, 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 Digga, the song name Digga. Alright? So we are gonna react to it, give it honest opinion, and hopefully it is a nice track, so we can give it a proper ting. I understand. So big up yourself, Pandaa. Big up yourself, my G. You don't know yourself, my bro. Big up yourself. You see me? Yeah, promote your family. So why not give you a strength? So let's go.
Gold digger, yo. Girl, and you still want more. And you still want more.
Yeah, some girl can't satisfy now. You give them all and them still want more, brother. It's like no matter what you give them, them not good. Them just there with them because of the money. As soon as the money done, you know, so you have to move up, right? Watch this.
And you still want more. It's like you want all my soul. Remember when me sit back and talk about my goals. Yeah.
The man say, it's like you want all my soul. So basically, he might give her everything else. Not there apart from his soul. What more you want? What you want from me? Let me tell you, say, you have some girl that stay so too, dog. Big up yourself still.
And you still want more. And you still want more. It's like you want all my soul. Remember when me sit back and talk about my goals. You dash it way like outside my score.
Yo, that big. Give him one of that. That big. The man said, remember, when we sit back and talk about my goals, you dash it way like a offside him score. So basically, you know when you play football, outside goal is not allowed. Referee, you go dash that way. So you have to go try again. Him sit down and I tell the girl him life goals. Not football goals, him life goals, him dream goals. And the girl does dash it way. You see me? She dash it way. Alright, bitch, what you do? You did it.
When me sit back and talk about my goals,
yeah.
You dash it way like outside my score. My might not can buy you defensive bags at the store and the house and the car.
Hold on, man. Me no want miss nothing, you know.
Like outside my score. My might not can buy you defensive bags at the store and the house and the car you want phone.
The man said it might not can buy you defending bags at the store, but just know say yo, the G love you. The G there for you no matter what. He might check for you, but you check for yourself.
With a lot of love, you one beautiful soul. Suits a girl that's divine and pure. And me always hear you talk about the big ballers, the ones who drive the Benz to carry the big parlors, and the shot callers, and the jokes dealers.
Him always hear how she talk about all these guys. The shot callers, the big ballers, the drug dealers, the people that will have money. But my girl, just know this. Not because them have money, doesn't mean them want you. Them probably want where they between your foot, them no want you. Just know say the G want you. No matter what kind of job in my do, just know say the G want you and you alone. You see me? Some girl not if you understand that and look on the bigger picture and stop running down the vanity dog. Alright, let's go. Let's see where my sister is.
The ones who drive the Benz to carry the big parlors, and the shot callers, and the jokes dealers. But because me sell Magnum, you would love me body.
You see? You see what kind of job the boss do? The boss say, yo, because I sell Magnum, you don't love me bad. You see me? Who you love bad? The man them where a shot callers, drug dealers, all these things. Anything can happen to them man at any time. Me still there, so I sell my Magnum, me in my own lane and do my own thing. What the fuck do you? That's clear. Eh? Circle with what you have. Circle with what you have. Crave and throw a puppy dog, you never know. Eh? Blood clot.
And the shot callers, and the jokes dealers. But because me sell Magnum, you would love me body. And me here to you have the attributes from within. Either you not try, or you just not willing. You know I watch them clothes, you see your nails too tall.
Cut to the fire, brother. Red flag, brother. She ain't at the house and she not do nothing for your G. She not wash no clothes. She say her nails too tall. You see me? It's like, she don't care, bro. She don't care, dog. Fuck.
Either you not try, or you just not willing. You know I watch them clothes, you see your nails too tall. You know I cook no food, it's like you fear the kitchen, you want Popeyes, Wendy's, KFC, and to have it your way like damn Burger King, you go.
She want Popeyes, she want Wendy's, she want KFC, she want Chinese food, she want Indian food, she want every type of food, but not the food they cook at the yard. My girl, you gas in your cylinder. Eh? No gas in your bomber clad cylinder. I say your mama grow ya. Eh? I say your mother grow ya. Eh, girl? Or your mouser? That not right, man. That not right, man. Start out your life, man. Yes, man.
One Popeyes, Wendy's, KFC and to have it your way like damn Burger King, you gold digger, yo. I just scrape you a scrape, you gold digger, yo.
Tiffin, girl.
I find you before it way too late. You
gold digger, yo.
One more all when you have.
Watch our bumper clap Tiffin face tonight. Watch her face. Watch her.
You gold digger, yo.
Watch her face. You gold digger, yo. Your blood clot Tiffin, girl, yo. Oh, man. Hold your papa, show your finger them. One time. Yes, man. You're too thief, man.
More all when you have when you play. You gold digger, yo. She love the Gucci, the Pradas and some fine surprise. And she only talk about her broken dreams. Her internet streams, yeah, by any means. She has to get what she wants and what she needs. Throw away the plastic frame from the picture and get her some gold plated, something richer. Cause if you're broke, she ain't fucking with you. Critically acclaimed, she's a gold digger. Cause if you're broke,
she not fuck with the brother. Critically acclaimed, she's a gold digger. So she's a certified gold digger, brother. Like, you don't stand a chance. If you're not chop, you can't chop what she have. I just said the thing go.
She ain't fucking with you. Critically acclaimed, she's a gold digger. She love the Beamer, the Audi, the exit. She say her feet hurt from walking with her exes. So you see why they no longer exist.
Our feet hurt from walking with our exes. So our exes, them a walk foot, man. Them not drive no Mark X, them not drive no Beamer, them not drive no Benz, them not drive no BMW, them not drive nothing. Our ex, them a Mark X. And you can see why them now become ex, because she not did that. She love the fast life.
I'm telling the guys on a checklist. The one who pay the bill and always have the fee first. The drug is 17 top, we get the free fuck. The credit card to keep the MB up. The one who buy the food and say babes eat up. You gold digger, yo.
Yes, my feeling that you want number 2 burger, extra fries, fresh pie, large. Or from morning, I'm telling them more food first class, ready for the top service. Anyway, number 32 interview, body food on the show, yo, for the party.
Yo, the boss up on the ends with them friends them and thing and the girl are sending the voice note and the man here. The man must say, yo, some biggie that girl in the bed cutting a dog.
Okay, you don't know, so let's go all out for the gram.
All out for the gram. So she'll live for the socials. That's how she'll live for that.
Girl, and she still want more. And she still want more. And she still want more. It's like she want all my soul. It lays. Girl, and she still want more. And she still want more. She still want more. It's like she want all my soul.
Bad song. Me like it. And sorry, me G say it takes so long to react to it. Just never have the time. But me like it, me G. Me like it. Keep up the works, bro. Don't drop no catch. Don't stop it. Me can't find no fault. The message of the song, like real, like. Me wish at the end of the video though, you did show her where them type of life that bring her, like nothing but death or prison or something like that. You see me? Me wish the story was more based up on the lyrics in the song, so I can know say, yo, this thing here, where you run down, don't run the hype. Cause you're not going to reach far with it. You see me? Just go and hustle. One coca full basket, just go and hustle. I wish I did that. Something like that in the video where people can learn from. You see me? She's a gold digger, dog. We know that there's lots of girls out there. Nothing wrong with them if they want to dig them gold enough. But just know say at the end of that, something negative I gonna be there waiting for them. You see me? So good song. Rhythm bad, production bad, video clean. You see me? Big up yourself, my G. You see me? Vocal up, clarity up. So you don't know the thing, my fam. Keep doing the music, bro. You see me? So big up yourself, my G. Pandaa, big up yourself. Alright, so this is how I'm gonna leave that one here. So if you enjoyed that one, please leave a like on the video, please subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. You hear that? Peace.